is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. In dreams you will lose your heartache. Whatever you wish for, you keep. Have faith in your dreams, and someday your rainbow will come smiling through. No matter how your heart is grieving, if you keep on believing, the dream that you wish will come true. Da-dum, da-da-dum, da-dum-dum, la-da-da-dum, ba-dum-bum, ba-dum-bum, la-dee. La 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 la. No matter how your heart is grieving, if you keep on believing, the dream that you wish will come true.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. fun with lots of gifts from everyone. Happy birthday, now we sing, and the very best wishes we bring. Ha ha ha, you and me, we're as happy as can be. Ha ha ha, you and me, we're as happy as can be. Party games are such fun too. I win some and so do you. Now it's time to cut the cake. Ice cream, candy, goodness sake. Ha ha ha, you and me, we're as happy as can be. Ha ha ha, you and me, we're as happy as can be. Birthday parties are such fun with lots of gifts from everyone. Happy birthday, now we sing, and the very best wishes we bring. Ha ha ha, you and me, we're as happy as can be. Ha ha ha, you and me, we're as happy as can be. A cat had a
I bang a 10 carriage, I can slip.
Hi, good evening and welcome to Shaira's 7th birthday party here in McDonald's San Lazaro. Ayan. Shaira, please come here naman. Dito ka muna sa unahan. Yan. Okay. But before we start, isa naman po malakas na happy birthday, Shaira. Sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Shaira! Gutom na po ba kayo? Nagugutom na kayo? Okay. Daps, kasali po dito sa unahan. Dito kayo sa gitna. At dapat sa gitna yun sila. Lipat doon sa gitna. Sa gitna tayo. Atin. Doon tayo sa gitna. Okay, harap kayo sa amin ni Ate Cam. Kids, parang magpapapicture taking. Yan, sa amin muna kayo. Then move backward. Backward kayo. Tap ka rin sa... Dito na po ba lahat ng kids natin? Bakit meron po nakaupo sa likuran? Ate, halika dito. Join ka dito. Para namang ma-enjoy mo yung birthday party. Halika dito. Yes, nangangapa na sila. Nagpakilala ko kanina. Anong name ko? Okay, sasabihin ko na ulit. Ako nga pala si Ate Marge, ang inyong host for today. And kasama ko si... Anong pangalan niya?
Ate Karen.
Ate Cams, Camille. Yan, ganda-ganda na Ate Camille. 4. Ba, bilis ni Kuya RJ ha. Mabilis ka kaya sumagot sa second question ko? RJ, come here. Halika dito. Yan. Doon kailangan every time na attend kayo ng party, alam nyo lahat ng event doon. Alam mo ba yun, Kuya? Hindi ka naman tulog nung nag-party ka. Hindi naman. Okay, masyadong seryoso si Kuya R naka-attend? Wala na? Okay, this time ituturo na lang namin ni Ate Cams para naman matuto rin yung iba nating mga kids. Ate Cams, Donalds, meron kaming turn ninyo is? Very good, RJ. Do it nga ulit. Okay, sundan natin si Kuya RJ. Mac, ready na. Do it na, kids.
Mac, ready na!
Ready na ba kayo?
Ready na!
Walang yes, walang no, ah. Mac, ready lang. Okay, kids, are you ready?
Mac, ready na!
Jen, Jade, ano pong name niya? Nasaan yung party hats nitong baby to? Nasaan niya sa kanya? Ba si Kuya, tumatakbo-takbo pa. Parang ay sumali. Okay, halika dito, Kuya.
Ready na!
Ayan, susundan natin si Ate Cams, ha? Ate Cams. Ayan. Everybody, do the McDonald's sign. Gayahin si Ate Cams. Yes, Kuya. Mamaya ka na dumede. Gutom ka na ba? McDonald's sign muna. Mamaya mo muna sabay niyang daliri mo. Okay. Nathaniel, do the McDonald's sign. Yan. Okay. Everybody, do the McDonald's sign. Then, wave tayo, Ate Cams. May showbiz dun sa gitna. Jen, dito ka nga, Jen. Yan. Hindi, tinatawag ni Jade si Jen. Aba. Jen, taas natin, ha? Okay. video pa mo din tayo ngayon. Yan, huwag mo masyado ipakita. Saka na. Okay, McDonald's sign. Then wave. 3 times. 1, 2. Sige, Ate Cams. 3. Gayahin niyo si Ate Cams. Gayahin niyo si Ate Cams, ha? 1, 2, 3. Bakit kaya palabas yung wave nila, Ate Cams? 2, 3. Ayan. Then after that, thumbs up. Stretch nyo mabuti yung mga arms ninyo. Jen, Jade, Nathaniel, thumbs up. Ayan, okay. Nathaniel. Parang lilipad ka naman yan, Nathaniel. Okay, thumbs up. Pag sinabing thumbs up, isisigaw ninyo yung name ng celebrant. Who is the celebrant today? Thumbs up for Shaira! Mas malakas pa. Thumbs up for Shaira! Yun, kasing naman pala eh. Then make a silly sound. Come. Sino makakagaya nung kay Ate Cam? Pau. Gawin mo yon. Make a silly sound. Sige, pwede na ibaba. After ng thumbs up, make a silly sound. Wala bang mas malakas? Edemson? Hindi ka dito. Make a silly sound. Very good. Okay, Edemson, halika dito sa gitna. Ayun naman to eh. Ate Cam, sabihin ko sa'yo yung mic mamaya. Papatunugin mo yung tongue mo, ha? Basta inabot ko sa'yo. Okay, gayahin niyo si Edemson. Yun. And after that, top the floor. Kanan paa muna. Kanan. Right foot first. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and shake it all around. Ikot ka na sign. Yan, ang galing ni Kuya. Wave, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then, thumbs up. Thumbs up for Shaira! Thumbs up for Shaira! Make a silly sound. Iyahin niyo si Kuya Edemson, sabay-sabay. Make a silly sound. Then top the floor. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and shake it all around. Shake, Ate Cams. Okay, kids, nakuha niyo ba? Yan. Okay, Ate Cams, urong kayo doon. Kids, backward mo. Kids, clap your hands.
Today, we're gonna
Yan, Nathaniel, dali, clap your hands.
Come on, everybody.
Nathaniel.
It's your birthday.
Okay, do the McDonald's sign. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Thumbs up for Silly sound.
And one more.
Tap the floor. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Turn around. Ikot. Ate Cam, sumikot ka rin. McDonald's sign.
It's your birthday.
Yan. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Sinatanyel. Thumbs up for Silly sound.
And one more.
Top to the floor. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Turn around. Ikot kayo. Ikot. Yan. Ikot. Ikaw na tulala na.
It's your birthday.
McDonald's
That's
sign.
why we're singing.
Yan. Wave. Mahabang wave yan. Mahabang wave. Jen, sige. Wave.
Everybody.
Jade. Thumbs up for Silly sound.
And one more.
Top the floor. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Ikot. Ikot kayo. Yan. Okay, kids. Clap your hands.
It's your birthday.
Oh, abay mo yung abi daw.
Happy birthday.
Okay. Okay, very good. Palakpakan naman po natin yung mga kids natin. Pinaghirapan nila yan. And thank you to you, Kuya Eddie, na pinagkukuhanan niya. Ang laki kasi ng tiyan. Ready na kayo mag-play? Very good, Kuya Matnel. I need 5 boys and 5 girls. First, dali, pila. Ang hindi nakapila, uupo na. Magkapatid ba kayo, Jamaica? Hindi. Kala ko magkapatid kayo. Name mo, ate. Sa unahan mo si Laika. Please stand. Balik ka muna sa upuan mo. Mamaya tatawagin kita. Fine. Okay, Jamaica, balik kayo ni... Yan. next game. Shaira. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kuya, mamaya na ha. Si Kuya mamaya na. 1, 2, 3. Nawala si Laika. Sige, si Kuya na lang po. Si Kuya na lang. Asan yung party hat mo? Wala ka? Yan. Oliver, pila. Okay, okay na yung team A. Team B na lang. Nasaan na? Okay, Ma, tignan mo yung height mo kung kanino ka kasunod. Dali, lagay niyo sa gitna. Ate Cam, guide mo sila. Yan. Okay. Harap sa likod. Gayahin mo sila, Shaira, Oliver. Sa gilid, harap ka. Go. Pwede nyo na imulat yung mata ninyo or i-open yung eyes ninyo. Maliwanag ba? Then, find your shoes. Pagkatapos yung masuot ng maayos yung sapatos ninyo, babalik kayo sa pila ninyo na katulad ng pila ninyo ngayon. Huwag kayong magpapalit-palit ng position ha. Maliwanag ba? Kailangan yung magkakasunod pa rin yung height ninyo. Paalala lang po, bawal po tumulong yung mga parents. Bawal kayong tumulong. Team members, kayo lang ang pwedeng tumulong sa teammates ninyo.
Ready na!
Very good, Mac. Gayahin niyo si Mac. Team A. Shaira, ready na ba kayo?
Ready na!
How about you, Team B? Are you ready? 2. Madness. 3. Go! Bilis! Hanapin yung shoes ninyo at slippers. Make it fast. Go, go, go! Bilis na! Tulungan niyo yung mga small kids natin, ha? Bawal magpatulong sa parents. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Bilis mga kaya ko yan! Shaira, balik sa pila. Tulungan mo yung teammates para hindi pa tapos. Sino pa hindi tapos? Bilis! Balikan ka sa pila! Kulang pa sila. 5! 4! 3! Yung dating pila nyo ha! Yung dating pila nyo! Shaira, kaibigan yan! Sa kabila ka! Lagay kayo! 5! 4! 3! Bilis pa! 2! 1! Okay, stop! Pakitaas ng ote. Check lang to. Yan. Okay. Sayaw, kuya. RJ. May pag-asa. Team B natin. Okay, so ang winner natin, yung Team B. Palakpakan naman na upo dyan. Nakaupo na nga lang kayo. Okay, dito kayo. Kids, dito kayo. May premyo kayo sa amin. Tayo. Okay, Daddy, tawag ka sa adults natin. 4 na kalalakihan. Siyempre, macho. Okay, dali! Abay, pakita niyo na yung mga muscles niyo dyan, ha? Sige, sir, tawagin mo. Lahat po na tatawagin ni Daddy at Mami. Kasali po tayo agad dito.
Si Doktor.
Pwede exempted ang parents. Yan. Kahit na ba kayo, sir? 4 ba yung tinawag mo? magpas dyan. Mommy, Daddy, kayo yung first time. Nasaan siya? Sir, pakita mo yung face mo. Ikaw talaga. How about you, ma'am? Bilang na.
3, 4, 5.
Okay, raise your hand para malaman ko kung alam ninyo yung number ninyo. Kids, upo kayo. Walang 5. 3, 2, 1, 4. Yes, narito na. Ulit 1, 5, 3, 4, 2. Oh. Yan, kailangan nyo gawin to. Okay, pag hinawag ko po yung number ninyo, papasok kayo sa loob ng square. Sa loob ng square, ha? Daddy, pasok sa square. Player number 1. Pasok sa square. Dala yung cup. Okay. Shake your body. Yan. Kailangan yung gawin yan, ha? Kailangan yung gawin yan. Kasi hindi ako natapos next. Dali, mabilis. Shake your body. Shake, 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 shake. Ay, sir, huwag mo kong tignan dyan. I-shake mo yan. Shake pa. Okay, ma'am, ikaw. Okay, lig na kayo sa pila. Okay, isa-isa lang po. One at a time lang po yan. Ma'am, dun po yung square nyo. Huwag nyo kakalimutan. Yan. Walang lalagpas sa square. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. Pag sinabi ko lower, lower, higher, higher, ah. Okay, spaghetti, lower. Sir. Oo naman. Kayong dalawa yun. Wala nang iba. Kayong dalawa si number 3. Spaghetti. Lower. Bawal mahiya. Uy, sir, huwag ka maganap dyan. Ganito yung spaghetti. Dali na. Sige na, spaghetti. Ganon. Lower pa. Huwag kang tumawak. Karirin mo yan. Minsan lang to. Spaghetti, lower. Higher. Lower. Higher. Sir, ano ba gusto mong gawin? Pass of player number 5. Mabilis, ha? 8-8. Doon na 8-8. 8-8. Ayan, okay na mo. May mga talents naman kayo eh. 8-8. Sige sir, bawal tumigil hanggang di ako tumatawag ng next player ha. Sige sir, karirin mo. Pass of player number 2. Tawa ng tawa itong mga to. Macarena. Macarena. Ganito yung Macarena ha. Aba, alam na alam. Alternate mo yung cup, sir. Parang basketball na nagdi-dribble. Alternate between the legs. Yan, tama po yun. Kailangan mabilis ha, mami. Mabilis. Diyos ko po, i-level mo naman yung paa mo, mami. Dali. Pantayin mo yung... Ba't kailangan nakataas talaga? Naka-4. Diyos ko po, mami. Baka matumba ka dyan. Pass of player number 4. Number 4. Shake your body. Shake your body. Hindi kayo titigil ha. Shake your body. 8-8. Yan, Macarena. Okay. Pag sinabi ko pong dunk the ball, magpapanang kayo ilapag dito yung cup. Mapupunta yung point sa kabila. Maliwanag po? Dunk the ball ha. Paunahan kayo ilalapag yung cup na nakataob. Okay. Go back to your position.
I'm ready na!
Mas malakas. Players, are you ready?
I'm ready na!
Siguraduhin nyo lang ready kayo ngayon, ha? Pag di kayo ready, di kayo uwi. Bala kayo. Ready na kayo? Kids, subo kayo. Dali, mabilis to. Let's start with player number 2. Number 2, come forward. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. Lower. Sige, lower pa. Higher. Lower. Pass to player number 5. Ocho, number 5. Go, go, go. 5. Ocho, lower pa. Lower pa. Abutin mo yung floor. Pass to player number 1. Exhibition number 1. Exhibition, 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 exhibition. Pass to player number 2. Ocho, number 2. Ocho. Sir, malabas ka na sa square. Yan. Ocho, lower. Lower pa. Aba, headstock ka ba? Pass to player number 4. Macarena, number 4. Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. Shake your body. Shake your body. Shake, 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 shake. Pass to player number 4. Number 4 to number 3. Number 3, spaghetti, number 3. Spaghetti, lower. Higher. Aba, talo-talo. Spaghetti, pass to player. Mabilis. Okay na mo. Pagkalan kayo, ha? Spaghetti. Sige, sir. Kaya mo yan. Spaghetti, lower. Higher. Lower pa. Aba, pampalit sa agyan. Pass to player number 3. Number 3 to number 4. Number 4 to number 2. Ocho, number 2. Ocho, you dunk the ball? Okay, may 1 point na po sila, Mami. Ngayon naman, instead ay dadunk niyo yung ball, magpuputok kayo ng balloon. Yung balloon po nasa ilalim. Nasaan na yung balloon natin, Ate Cam? Sino kumuha? Sir, pakihawak lang. Mami! Mami, halika dito. Tumakbo ka naman. Hawakan mo, Mami, oh. Yung logo, putukin mo yung logo. Oh, ano, syempre. Sir talaga, paano ka ba magputok? Walang gagamit ng kamay. Okay. Players, are you ready?
The music starts, the game begins, and then whoever gets the last chair is the one who wins. So when the music stops, just sit down anywhere, but you are out of the game if you can find a chair. Just march around and around and around as the music plays. It may stop very soon, it may go on for days. Just circle round and around the chairs, keep marching to the beat. And when the music stops, then try to find a seat. Come on and dance! Just march around and around and around as the music plays. It may stop very soon, it may go on for days. Just circle round and around the chairs, keep marching to the beat. And when the music stops, then try to find a seat. Keep your circle. Just march around and around and around as the music plays. It may stop very soon. It may go on for days. Just circle round and around the chairs. Keep marching to the beat.
Aba, ano po ba kayo kumanta?
Kanta tayo kids ha, kanta ha.
Okay, kids, clap your hands. Yan, everybody, clap your hands. Yung mga nakaupo dyan. Sa mga limon. Circle dyan. Day to you. Kids, kata kayo. Day to you. Yung mas malakas naman. Yung mga adults naman natin. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday na nakasarap. Okay. Happy birthday to you.
Shaira, Shaira.
Okay, Shaira, make a wish. Shaira, gusto mo ba i-share? Gusto mo i-share yung wish mo? Okay, sige, yan.